Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by organizing clips and opening Lumetri scopes so you can see what you're fixing. First, pick a representative clip and apply a camera-matching LUT or reset to a neutral baseline. Then, in basic correction, adjust white balance using the eyedropper and fix exposure with highlights, shadows, and whites. Once done, check the waveform for clipping and use temp/tint only to remove color casts. This gives you a reliable reference for the rest of the sequence. Now you'll match clips across the timeline. Pick a clean reference frame and open comparison view so you can directly compare. Copy Lumetri to target clips or try color match for an automated start, then refine manually. Use tone controls, contrast, highlights, shadows, and HSL secondary to isolate and correct problematic hues like skin tones. Make sure to toggle scopes frequently. Once balanced globally, add masks for localized exposure or color tweaks, so every clip reads consistently in the sequence. To finish, you'll create an adjustment layer for the global creative grade. Add curves, vignettes, or a final LUT to unify the look. Render work area previews and play back at full resolution while watching scopes to catch clipping or hue shifts. Make sure export color space matches delivery specs. If colors shift after export or between clips, clear media cache, confirm project color management, and reapply the corrected Lumetri from your reference clip. This usually resolves inconsistencies fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.